welcome back to our channel. Meet the Vermicular Musui-kamado, a masterpiece of Japanese craftsmanship that blends cast iron precision with modern induction technology. This isn't just a rice cooker, it's a full cooking experience designed to bring out the pure, natural flavors of your ingredients. Today, we'll explore why the Vermicular Musui-kamado is loved by chefs around the world, and what makes it one of the most versatile kitchen tools ever created. Precision cast iron craftsmanship. The musui-kamado starts with Japanese enameled cast iron. Vermicular is known for its unmatched precision down to 0.01 mm lid alignment. That tight seal locks in moisture and flavor like nothing else, creating a near-vacuum seal during cooking without any pressure mechanism. Its craftsmanship meets science. Dual-function cooking. This is a 2-in-1 cooker. The musui is the cast iron pot, and the kamado is the precision induction heating base. Together, they give you both high-heat searing and ultra-low temperature control. You can do everything from steam roasting vegetables to slow-braising meat. Waterless cooking. Here's where the magic really happens. Waterless cooking. Thanks to the seal and precise heat, you can cook vegetables, meats, and even curry with zero added water. This retains nutrients, flavor, and texture in ways that traditional pots can't. Ultimate rice cooking. This is one of the few pots that can elevate rice to an art form. With its precision rice mode, it mimics traditional donabe-style cooking, giving you fluffy, aromatic, and even slightly crispy bottom rice. It can handle white rice, brown rice, and mixed grains with perfection. Induction control. Thanks to the induction heating and cast iron's superior heat retention, the musui-kamado is also energy efficient. You use less heat, and it holds temperature longer. It gives you fine-tuned heat control that goes as low as 90 degrees Fahrenheit and up to 445 degrees Fahrenheit. That means you can do sous vide-like cooking without a water bath or slow-cook delicate dishes without burning. Minimalist design and build quality. Every part of this appliance is premium. From its sleek minimalist design to the tactile knobs and solid feel, it's something you'll be proud to leave on your countertop. And it comes in multiple colors to match your kitchen style. The Vermicular Musui-kamado redefines what a rice cooker can be, where craftsmanship meets innovation. From perfectly cooked rice to restaurant-quality slow-cooked dishes, it's designed for those who truly appreciate the art of cooking. Product link in the video description. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.